got a bunch of holes in it. Pick it up. You ever seen anything like that? Big old holes. Look at that. That's crazy. I'd stick my whole hand in there. I'm guessing woodpeckers. Here, I stashed this little canister up here a long time ago. About 2 years ago. Still there. See it? I don't remember if there's anything in it or not. I'll just leave it there. Take a walk down to the river. Mackenzie River. Heavy traffic, 126, 60 miles east of Eugene, Oregon. Very pretty. What is it? I don't know. Yeah, not much around here. Just a little cleared out spot. Been coming here for years. Just kind of like a picnic spot for me. Sometimes I camp here for one night, which I probably will tonight. I'm gonna stay right in here.